Welcome to the Rise Above Performance Training Tip of the Week. So we're going to continue with our bench press series, and we're going to talk about low back arch and how much you should have. So for athletes, you do not need a huge powerlifting arch or creating like a false arch to make the bar path a little bit shorter to press more weight. If you're just a general trainee or an athlete, just have a natural arch. Yes, your body, if you do a proper setup like we talked about over the weeks, where my feet are strong, my shoulders are retracted, and my chest is up, you'll see it'll create a natural arch in my low back. Keep your glutes tight to protect your low back, and you want to maintain that arch as you go through, so it never collapses. So your setup will dictate how much arch you have. It'll be different for different people. Just make sure you stay stable, squeeze the glutes to protect, and you'll have a straight, safe, and strong bench press.